why did I decide to be a loan officer? Well, first of all, I had no idea this career existed. I had zero idea. For years, I was in logistics. So I was a truck driver manager for 2 years. I was an underwriter at a big insurance company for 7 years. I was a professional soccer referee for 5 years and worked my way up to be a professional soccer referee for about 10 years before that. And funny enough, I mean, I believe that God has providence and he prepares you for those next steps to be able to impact people. In the logistics, guess what? Loans are all about logistics. You got to make sure stuff closes on time. Guess what? The underwriting, I mean, it's basically you have a whole bunch of spaghetti that's thrown on the wall and you're expected to turn it into, souffle. And then on the referee side, it's funny enough, but it's very much networking. The SEC, the ACC, all these different assigners, they're not that connected. And so you have to do a good job. You have to earn trust. You have to ask for the business. And then at that point, you have to deliver. And so it's really interesting how those three things lined up. I was searching for a way to build wealth. I felt really convicted that I should be doing something else. And I found bigger pockets in the BRRRR method of investing: buy a property, renovate it, rent it out, refinance, repeat. My wife and I were going to move into a duplex, and serendipitously, I was connected over time with a real estate agent that connected me with the lender, who now is my branch manager and friend, Clarence Hawthorne. So it's an interesting path to get there. I think that I'm very thankful. A lot of people have asked me, you probably wish you would have gotten into this when you were 21 or 22. And I don't have that thought often. I'm not the same person. I have a family now. I think it's more relatable. I've dealt with good things in finance, bad things in finance. I've worked at a steady job for 10 years before sitting down with people and helping advising them on their finance and best next steps on how to build wealth through real estate. And I wouldn't trade my path for anything else. I think it'd be hard to get into it at 21 and convince people that they should get naked with you with their finances. I mean, that'd probably be kind of difficult. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my story, and then hopefully that'll inspire others. I have two people that are outside the industry that are actually starting here this next month as brand new loan officers, and I am stoked about them getting in and being able to experience the same things that I have, because it is so impactful on people's lives, and you have the opportunity to connect with people at a really deep level and add a whole lot of value. And then if you add value and they choose you as their lender, you can feed your family. So hopefully that's helpful. Talk next time.